Hey guys!
So today we're being joined by Barney Richmond. Go check him out. Make sure you follow the right one. He's got a Pikachu as his profile picture. We'll be trying all the Walker new flavors. Well, the three of them. There's another 3 I have to try, but still. First up we have sausage and brown sauce.
Okay.
That sounds
nice.
okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's so addictive. They're good.
Definitely I'm gonna score that
I'm a 7.
a 7.
I love that. Oh my days.
Okay.
That's
On
good.
to the next flavour.
Let's see this one.
This one is the green one.
packet. That's odd. What is it?
Salad cream.
Cheese cucumber salad cream.
Okay. It could be nice. Okay. Maybe it's disgusting. Okay. Nick wasn't even sick. That was just sound effects that he did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that was hot.
That was disgusting. I rated that like a 2. Okay.
Let's go to the next one. Hopefully
Next
it's better.
one. I don't think you want to be buying these things. They're not
Yeah.
worth it.
Next one. It's
Mustard and
mustard
ham.
or ham and mustard actually. It's called.
Okay.
So far the brown sauce is the only good one.
Mustard's realistic, but it's just not nice.
I'm so tempted to rate it a 3. I'm gonna rate it
A 4.
5 because of the mustard is so accurate. It puts a weird tingle on your tongue. I don't like it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So Nick is going to do the last part of the video. He's about to say something.
Like and subscribe. And links down below. Check out this guy named Barney Richmond. Make sure you do with a profile picture that's Pikachu. And goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah. Oliver. Cameraman.